It's Take Two Tuesday.
It's Tech Tip Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Like Tuesday?
Tuesday. You get it. You get it.
We thought we'd come to you with computer tips about things you should have 2 of.
Yeah. 2 sticks of RAM is better than 1 stick of RAM. And 4 sticks of RAM, which is a multiple of 2, is better than 2 sticks of RAM.
Yes. 2 methods of storage or backups.
Yep, like in the cloud and on an external hard drive. 2 screens.
Yes. Anybody who's gotten 2 screens and used them, they'll never go back to 1 screen. Not even when you have that big giant screen. No, 2 screens are the best.
Yep. If you have a small business, at least 2 computers. Mm-hmm. That way, when one of them inevitably goes down on you at the worst possible moment, you've got a backup.
Or if you're just a person, 2 devices, a computer and an iPad or a phone, so that while your computer's in our shop getting repaired, you can still watch our awesome videos.
That's true. Or you could just double screen it. Ignore something on Netflix while scrolling Facebook.
Totes.
How about 2 chargers for your laptop or your phone?
Yes.
1 for the office, 1 for the bag. 1 for the home, 1 for the office. 1 that stays in your bag and 1 that stays at your desk.
And 1 that gets chewed by a dog and 1 that doesn't.
That's true. 1 that gets vacuumed up.
Hey! It's not personal or anything.
Mm-mm. 2 shoes, generally better than 1.
Yeah.
That's not a computer tip, but it's generally a good idea.
Tech Tip Tuesday, guys.
Now, is a pair of pants 2 pants? Or is it? Because there's 2 of them, but it's a pair of pants. Is each one a pant? Because in that case, 2 pants would be better than 1 pant.
I don't even know how to answer that. Do you know the difference between a mom joke and a dad joke?
What?
Mom jokes are funny.
Mean.
2 technicians. We forgot that one.
Yeah, 2 technicians is better than 1. Mm-hmm. Also, 2 tacos, also better than 1.
So 2 on Tuesday is better than 1.
Right. Always better. Tea is still kind of hot. I didn't clink your cup like a Viking this time. Come back next week when we hit you with more delightful puns and witticisms.
On Tech Tip Tuesday.
Yeah.
A regular Tuesday, not Tuesday.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Give the people what they want, which is the end of this video.